Hi, welcome back sa my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-login sa ating PayMaya or sa Maya app. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you from my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating PayMaya or ang ating Maya app. So dapat guys, nakapag-download na kayo ng inyong PayMaya app. So, ayan guys, make sure na meron na kayong account dito para ma-login agad natin yung ating account dito sa Maya or PayMaya. So, pag-open guys ng application, ganito yung lalabas. So, tap nyo lang yung login kung may account na kayo. And dito guys, ilalagay nyo lang yung phone number na nakaregister sa inyong PayMaya or sa Maya. And dito naman guys, sa baba, lagay nyo lang yung inyong password sa Maya or PayMaya app. So, after nyo may lagay guys, yung phone number and then yung password, tap na natin yung login. So, confirm ko lang guys, enable ko din yung lock screen. And ayan guys, nakapag-login and nakapag-open na ako ng account dito sa aking PayMaya or Maya app. So, ayun lang guys, gano'n lang kasimple. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.